Tapos ang siguro yung spaghetti natin.
Oh, yeah.
I'm still full.
Ayusin mo na to.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course, I'm gonna slip.
Ayusin mo na to.
I'm gonna slip.
I'm gonna slip.
Kamadulas.
I don't have a strength. You know?
I don't have the strength.
Akala ko sabi instrument.
Lizzie.
Clean your ears.
Elizabeth.
Ano sabi? Anong words na sinabi niya?
What a Queen Elizabeth
Ano
thing.
sabi?
Lizzie. Because Mom, we drove past the castle, the back Buckingham Palace once, and she goes, oh, Lizzie.
Oh.
What?
Fairness, yung meal went quite right.
Yeah,
Ano sana?
that was fun.
What's your Andrew?
Nagkagaya pa ako. Sino?
Tayo.
Since last month, ako sa sige bukas. Promise sila bukas. Pagdating ang bukas, bukas na lang, promise. Tomorrow never comes.
What did you say?
Ano yung pinag-aralan yung heart?
It's just so funny. That's what
Hindi,
that
pag-aaral namin, hindi lang skeletal kami, anatomy rin. Sabay mga muscles,
So you guys study circulatory, digestive,
GI tract na pag-aaral na
cover,
Why
So,
so?
hindi pa
Cover.
Ngayong examen namin.
Sa dulo ba nito may exam kayo?
What did you say?
I don't know.
General exam.
That's what I'm waiting. I'm like,
medical terms.
it's so
Kasi
funny.
kahit mahirap i-memorize, kung alam mo lahat, matutuwa ka. Mga muscle dito, yung orbicularis oris,
May nga, binabasa ko yung renal book ni Mami. I know ko.
Cute siya kasi yung
Kasi
especially
it sounds like you're saying big words. Ano, what's that? Chicks.
sinabi ganun.
Buccal.
Kaysa sa wala
Sabi ko,
what's that?
Sabi ko, oh, yeah, I've got cardiovascular system.
Hindi ka, parang pag may doktor siya, kawawa, alam ko din yan, wise ka dun, alam ko din yan, kung anong term, ganyan.
Kaya pag yung teacher ko sa English, nagsasalita yung big words, like, parang, kung ano ba yan, sabi ko, in English please.
Who's that? I'm showing this. This isn't doing. You're not doing very well in your little.
Gagamitin mo natin.
You want to eat crab?
To watch that
You want to eat crab?
Ilang laway na natin. Ilang beses natin na ano.